This was stressful. Dreadful, stressful, everything at the same time. Holy shit. Lotus 2 is so fun, but it's so difficult. Okay, Mr. Heli is a fun game. I know it well on the arcade, but on the Amiga I know that it's very difficult. I'm going to keep in mind. But then again, beating Lotus Turbo Challenge 2 seems very worth it. That's the right speed. Okay, let's do it with music in game, because the sound effects are hideous. Me. 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 Oh my god, yeah. Not the sound effects are hideous, but also the frame rate of this game. Holy Christ, I forgot how bad it was. And normally you would want to collect as many of these as you can, but you can't. This is hideous. So let's get this. There we go. Playing the MSX is 10 times more fluid. Oh, it's just extra rockets. Yeah, we don't need those. Hey, what is this? What is this thing? Oh, okay, he was a hidden helicopter. Not cool, hidden helicopter. Not how we do it where I come from. Let's move on because we're about to die anyway, so... This looks like 15 FPS. Oh, you're being very gracious right now. This ain't 15 FPS. It's more like 5 FPS. You know what? We take it. Oh, there we go. This port is so hideous. Oh, okay, of course, there's this ghost shit now. That's the next thing. How are you supposed to get through here? Because if you touch them... Oh, you don't lose HP when touching them in this version. Funny. Irem should have stuck to R-type. I said it here live on TV. At least we finished this level. Oh yeah, the dark level, great. Yeah, that's fun. Oh, nice. Well, hello there. Okay, what is this? More rockets. Yeah, we take all the rockets. Sold out, naturally. Okay, what happens now? Oh yeah, this one. Let me brute force? Come on, please. Please, please, please let me brute force. Oh, I guess not. Nice. Now we lost all our special weapons. So it's not possible to kill this boss anymore. I'm not kidding you guys. So everything we're doing now is in vain. Like even killing the guns and turrets here doesn't give points. We're only trying to like shoot shots on him. And we don't do any damage anymore. So run is over. 14,160 first population. It's bigger than the former score. Can't do better for a game like this, I'm sorry. The hideous charts are through the roof. So I'm just gonna hold my fire button here. See, live cam. Live cam of me holding the fire button. Right. Using my right hand's middle finger now. Left hand. Right. Maybe with inverted controls I can still do something. Yeah, there we go. Doesn't seem to do much. Because it doesn't matter anymore. 14,160, it's all we get. So, good population score. If you can't beat the boss before getting there, it's over. JEK. There we go. 14,160, we take him.